Children. Circles for class 9, exercise 10.4. Let me discuss question number 3 of the exercise. Question is, if two equal chords of a circle intersect within the circle, prove that the line joining the point of intersection to the center makes equal angles with the chord. Now question is given that there are two equal chords of the circle. Suppose we have taken AB and CD. Now they are intersecting within the circle, so we are watching that these two chords are intersecting inside the circle at point E. Now what we have to prove that the line segment joining the point of intersection to the center. Now point of intersection of both the chord is E, and if we join with the center, so OE we will obtain. Now what angle it makes with the chord? For AB, this E will make, this OE is making this angle with AB, and with chord CD, this OE is making this angle. Now we have to prove that these two angles are equal. Now for proving these two angles equals, what we will do? We will draw two perpendicular, OM on AB, ON on CD. So we have dropped two perpendicular on the corresponding chords. Now let me see the proof. Now we are going to prove this triangle and this triangle congruent. Now how to prove this? Now see, angle M equals to angle N, 90 degree. This we have done by construction. Then we can see for both the triangles OME and ONE, this OE is acting as the hypotenuse for both the triangles, and it is common to both the triangles. So we can say the hypotenuse of both the triangles are equal. This is hypotenuse. Then we can say OM equals to ON. Why? Because we know a theorem that if two chords are equal, then their distance from the center will also be equal. And by distance we mean the perpendicular from center to the chord. So OM and ON are showing the distance of AB and CD respectively from center, and according to the theorem these two distances will be equal. So our OM equals to ON. So we have got this criteria: right angle, hypotenuse, side. Right angle, hypotenuse, side. So by RHS congruency, these two triangles are congruent. So we can say angle OEN, this angle OEN, angle OEM, this angle. These two will be equal by the criteria CP/CD. Now let me move on to question number 4, interesting and important question. If a line intersects two concentric circles with center O at ABCD, prove that AB equal to CD. Now in this question what we have done, we have taken two concentric circles, the smaller one and big one. Concentric circles are those whose centers are same. The radius may vary but centers are same. So for both the circle, O is the center. Now we have taken a chord in such a way that it intersects the first circle at A, then second at B, second at C, and first circle at D. Means AD is a chord which is intersecting both the circles at 4 points in total. Now what we have to prove, that this AB equals to CD. Now for proving this AB equal to CD, what we are going to do, we are going to make OL perpendicular to L. From O we will drop a perpendicular OL on this chord AB. Now take the bigger circle. Now for the bigger circle, outer one, O is the center, AD is the chord, and from O we are dropping a perpendicular OL. Now we know a theorem that perpendicular from the center bisect the chord. It means AL will be equals to LD. This is our first result we have obtained. Now moving on to the smaller circle. For smaller circle, this BC is the chord. BC is the chord and OL is perpendicular on this BC. So as per the theorem right now we have discussed, this OL will bisect BC. It means PL will be equal to LC. So we have obtained this result. Now what we have to do, we have to subtract both the result 1 and 2. So AL minus BL and LD minus LC. Now AL, this complete AL. From this we are subtracting this BL, so we will obtain AB. Similarly from LD, if we subtract LC, we will obtain CD. So we will obtain our required result. So this way we will solve this question.